Do you ever have PowerPoints that you want to be able to save quickly to Google whenever you're at a PowerPoint or a Microsoft Word document? Well, there's a way you can actually put Google Drive in your folders here. So, I'm going to show you how. I'm in my Google Drive. Let me show you. Actually in Drive. Then I'm going to click on this Tools, the Settings button. Download Drive Files Stream from Windows. I'm going to click there. Then you're going to have to scroll down and download for Windows. Once this comes up, you'll then follow the directions. I'm clicking down here. I'm waiting on the Run screen to come up. Here it is. And then you will wait on it to download. Not going to make you wait. And then once it downloads, you have to put in your information. And then it's downloaded. Once you go to your folders, you will then see, I'm going to get out of it and go back into it, you will then see Google Drive over here. And it actually, when you pull up your drive, it will show you every folder in your Google Drive. For example, I have a PowerPoint here I want to save to my Google Drive. Go to your PowerPoint, File, Save As, and then you will then save it to Google. See, it's under My Computer. Google Drive, My Drive. If I want to save it to Technology, I will. And that's how you save it.